angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is what blessings are coming for you for Sagittarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, rising sign, moon sign is in Sagittarius, or you know a Sagittarius, this reading is for you. Do subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, do subscribe, like, and share. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading, and also join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot Friends, and to buy a personal reading visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. So let's see, Sagittarius, what blessings are coming for you. This is a timeless reading, friends. Let's see what blessings are coming for you. For Sagittarius, what blessings are coming for you? Your cards are not coming out. 3 of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles. What blessings are coming for Sagittarius? Next, what blessings are coming for Sagittarius? Wow, a soulmate connection, Ace of Swords, and the 6 of Cups. And the Queen of Cups, this is beautiful. And the 3 of Cups, you had the most amazing reading. Seriously, friends, absolutely. Yes, Sagittarius, I feel like you are waiting for a long time. You are waiting for either love to come in or a soulmate relationship to come in. Maybe you are single, and you may already be in a relationship, Sagittarius, but communications are not going properly. I feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel, friends, the main blessing that's coming your way is a breakthrough. It is a breakthrough, a new start is coming your way, a breakthrough in your love life or in your career. It is coming, friends, and it is a God-given breakthrough. It is not like someone or you or another person is creating. It is God is creating this breakthrough, this message, this ray of hope for you. I feel someone was not telling you how much they love you, and they were protecting their heart, they were shielding their heart, they were keeping their distance. Could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. This person will definitely message you, call you, or they will show their interest that they want to work things out with you. Why? Because they are your soulmate, they are your soul friend, they are your soul family, your twin flame. They love you, and if you are single, I think you are not ready to mingle, Sagittarius, which is quite rare because Sagittarius don't really do that. They are the life of the party, but I think you are being careful with your heart and your emotions. But a new relationship is coming if you are single and they are your soulmate. You will feel a lot of happiness, joy, familiarity, like you know them from before. This person will be quite good for you. They love you, they will offer you a lot of emotions, romantic connection, support, and a lot of happiness. I feel you will also find some celebrations are coming your way, like get togethers with friends or family. You could be meeting, like, since because of the quarantine and world issues, you may be not able to meet your family, your friends, or your cousins, your sisters, siblings. You will be meeting them very soon, and that will make you very happy. I also feel some of you could be getting a celebration at work. Maybe there is a prom that is going to happen, a graduation, or some sort of a meeting of friends, or some victory at work or education is coming. It will make you happy, it will make you very happy. I also feel if you are confused regarding something, Sagittarius, about life or which path to choose, career choose, which life path or career path to choose, your confusions are going to get clear, and that will make you very happy. Like, yeah, finally I know what to do, and you're like, aha, this is so nice. So that is going to improve for you. And I feel someone is having a lot of love for you. They are not telling you. Either this is a new person or a past person, they are going to tell you, and they are your soulmate. So a lot of happy energy. I also feel your focus will become very laser like, sharp. Sagittarius, you know what you want in work and you will go for it. If you are confused right now regarding work, education, what to do next, that will be over. That blessing is coming for you. I also feel if you were in a third party situation, if not, you could be meeting like two people also in love or through friends. So you could be like two people feel attracted towards you, or maybe someone has put you in a third party. But I feel the ultimate victory is yours because you have this breakthrough, you have this clarity, you have this happiness. If you are single, definitely you could find two people wanting to date you, meet you, know you better, or make friends with you. Maybe you will meet them through common friends or your brothers and sisters, cousins. You could meet them through them. Let's see what other blessings are coming for you, Sagittarius. What blessings are coming for you, Sagittarius? News is coming, news from far, for travel, for visas, and for education. Like if you were waiting for exam days, you are going to get them. If you are looking for foreign travel, you will get positive news or some news. See, decisions and daydreams. You are confused about something. That confusion will be over. You will find the clarity, that answer. Nurture, definitely very nurturing and creative people are coming towards you, Sagittarius. People who can support you and love you and keep you well. I also feel if you are married, there is a chance of a pregnancy or family expansion coming together. See, again, the fertility card is here. Definitely, I feel you could be meeting your friends or family. It will excite you because we have not met them in a long time, right? Like the usual ways of meeting them, going out for a party, maybe a celebration, a birthday could be coming. So that is also there. Let's see what is the blessing coming. Okay, Treasure Island, number 9. Someone really, you're important to someone, Sagittarius. And something is important. I think you want to travel to an island or some place, maybe for work, education. That news will come. Round and round, number 25. I feel someone is keeping their emotions close to their heart. They will share their emotions, absolutely. Yeah, all that glitters is not gold. I feel your focus will be more the blessings coming, is truth coming, revelations coming, breakthroughs coming, happiness and joy is coming, and your focus shifting from money, work to family, love, joy, friendships, celebrations. That is also going to happen, Sagittarius. Beautiful. Wow, you have the kangaroo, unsettling times, need to plan ahead. I definitely feel, I feel like you could be a little unsure where things are going right now because you have some confusions. You're not sure where to go. For Sagittarius, what blessings are coming? Weeping Willow, family issues. I think you have some family, like you want to meet them, or you are missing your mother or father, your grandparents. So you will find some help or support there. Don't worry. And lie and time to act. So definitely, I think you're over anxiously, Sagittarius. So you don't need to be. Connect with your power. We have the sun. Happiness and happy news is coming. The ring is here. Definitely, friends, a commitment or partnership is going to come towards you. And I feel someone is crying over you. Someone really, really is missing you, or you are missing them. And a man, yeah, you could be dealing with a same sex relationship or someone. who is very close to your heart, this person is going to message you, friends. Don't worry about it. So that's it for now, Sagittarius. Please do like, share, subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. Do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you wanna buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com, friends. This is Mystic C. Singh. Bye.